Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, January 9th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So it was a mixed day for the markets as investors wrestled with some big news. The Standard & Poor's 500 inched up by 0.1%. The Dow added about 0.25%. That's roughly 100 points. But the Nasdaq stayed just under the flat line. One of the big stories making waves? A report that President-elect Donald Trump might declare a national economic emergency to push through new tariffs. Yep, you heard that right. The news caught investors off guard as they brace for a flurry of policy changes ahead of Inauguration Day. Meanwhile, we got a look at the Federal Reserve's December meeting minutes. Turns out, many officials support a slower pace of interest rate cuts this year. Combine that with recent labor market data, and traders now see less than a 50% chance of a rate cut before May. Speaking of labor, here's where it gets interesting. Private companies slowed their hiring in December, hinting at cooling demand, but jobless claims unexpectedly dropped last week, showing the labor market's still holding strong. That's got investors trying to figure out if strong data means trouble for rates staying higher for longer. And don't forget, the December jobs report is coming out Friday morning, one to watch. Yesterday's data was released a bit early because the stock market and government offices are closed today for a national day of mourning for former President Jimmy Carter. That's your quick rundown of yesterday's market action. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone.